Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a step-by-step guide on how to collaborate on documents in UPBASE, your go-to platform for seamless collaboration in 2025. First up, you'll want to upload the document you aim to work on. Navigate to your desired project, click the plus button, and select Upload File. This step is crucial because it's where the collaboration begins. UPBASE allows multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously, ensuring a smooth workflow. Now that we've done that, let's dive into how to invite collaborators. On the top right corner, click on Invite People and type in their email addresses. They'll receive an invitation to join the document. This is important as it allows your team members to access and contribute to the document, fostering a collaborative environment. The reason we do this is to keep everyone on the same page and make document collaboration a breeze. Plus, UPBASE also provides an option to assign roles to your team members. You can set them as editor, viewer, or commenter, depending on their function in the project. This helps us streamline the collaboration process, maintaining an organized and efficient workflow. Next up is the actual collaboration part. Once your team members are in, everyone can start editing the document in real time. UPBASE's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, but let me explain why this matters. Real-time collaboration eliminates the need for back-and-forth emails and version confusion, making your team more productive. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The document is continuously saved in the cloud, so all changes are instant and visible to all collaborators. You can also leave comments on specific parts of the document by highlighting the text and clicking on Add Comment. This helps us because it allows for clear and precise communication within the team. Finally, once all edits are made, you can save the final version by clicking on File and then Save. The reason we do this is to ensure that all your hard work is stored safely and can be accessed at any time for reference. And there you have it, a brief guide on how to collaborate on documents in UPBASE. Remember, successful collaboration is all about effective communication and seamless coordination, and with UPBASE, it's as easy as pie. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.